The focus today is on a critical component that keeps Komatsu machinery running efficiently: the fuel injection pump compatible with HM400-2, HM350-2, and WA500-6 models. This part is vital for anyone operating heavy-duty equipment, ensuring consistent performance and minimizing downtime. A fuel injection pump is the engine's lifeline, delivering the precise amount of fuel at the exact time needed for efficient combustion. This Komatsu-compatible pump, with part numbers 6261-71-1111 and 0940000580, is manufactured to meet rigorous quality standards. It ensures accurate fuel delivery, consistent engine performance, and long-lasting durability, even under demanding conditions. The construction of this pump highlights its reliability. High-grade materials are used to withstand extreme heat, vibration, and high-pressure fuel systems. The internal components are precisely engineered to maintain tight tolerances, providing smooth operation and reducing wear on engine components. This means improved engine efficiency and reduced risk of failure during heavy workloads. Installing this pump on Komatsu HM400-2, HM350-2, or WA500-6 machines improves overall engine function. You will notice smoother startups, more consistent idle, and increased torque under load. These benefits are especially valuable in high-demand environments such as construction sites, mining operations, and industrial applications. Compatibility is another advantage. This pump is designed as a direct replacement for Komatsu and Denso part numbers 6261-71-1111 and 0940000580. There is no need for modifications. It is plug-and-play and engineered to restore original engine performance while maintaining reliability. Before leaving the factory, each pump undergoes strict testing for pressure consistency, fuel flow, and leak resistance. This ensures optimal performance, extends engine lifespan, and reduces the likelihood of costly repairs. It also improves fuel efficiency, as precise fuel delivery reduces wastage and ensures cleaner combustion. Durability is key for any heavy machinery component, and this pump excels in that area. It is resistant to corrosion and temperature extremes, allowing it to perform reliably even in harsh environments. Whether it's dusty quarries, muddy construction zones, or high-temperature operations, this pump maintains consistent performance. Upgrading to this pump means reduced maintenance costs, fewer unexpected breakdowns, and improved operational efficiency. Engines start faster, run smoother, and maintain consistent power, enhancing overall productivity on the job. For operators and businesses relying on Komatsu machines, this fuel injection pump is a cost-effective solution to maintain engine health and efficiency. It provides OEM-level performance, ensuring that machines continue to operate at their peak capabilities. If you are looking to purchase the fuel injection pump compatible with Komatsu HM400-2, HM350-2, and WA500-6, part numbers 6261-71-1111/0940000580. Check the link in the description below. This pump ensures your heavy machinery stays reliable, efficient, and productive. Investing in high-quality replacement parts like this pump safeguards your machinery, keeps fuel efficiency high, and reduces downtime, making it an essential addition for anyone operating Komatsu heavy equipment.